Stick around if you want to know why affirmations are a gateway and opening to a better life. See you inside.
Hi guys, I hope everybody is feeling well, feeling blessed, super light, happy today, and if not, then you're at least on your way. I just wanted to come in here and to share a little bit of some thoughts that came to me. I woke up this morning and I didn't feel very well. I just couldn't really get into my normal groove. And I received a phone call early in the morning from a really good girlfriend of mine, and she started singing to me. And the song she was singing was, I am a promise, I am a possibility, I am a promise with a capital P. I am a great big bundle of potentiality. Oh yes. And I am learning to hear God's voice, and I am trying to make the right choice. I am a promise to be anything that I want. She asked me to sing the song with her, so we were both singing this song. I wanted to sing all of it. I mean, mind you, I don't sing that great, but for the purposes of this video, I hope this will survive. But we were both singing it. And as I started to sing it, I know I felt better. She said she felt so much better. This is a song she sings every day to her girls, and so it got us talking about affirmations. So then, of course, I started thinking about affirmations as I went throughout my day.
Affirmations being these tools that allow us to move into higher vibrational frequencies, thereby allowing us to feel better. And that's exactly what was happening. I was feeling better when we were singing this song.
Affirmations being these seeds that we plant in soil. Hopefully it's fertile soil.
Mostly because in fertile soil,
you get really abundant seeds. In not so fertile soil, not so abundant seeds. So we want abundant seeds. So we're planting our seeds in fertile soil. We're planting our affirmations in fertile soil. And long before they even manifest, we want them to. We plant them in the soil and we water them so that they'll grow. So
when we consider that thoughts create things, so the thoughts that we think, the words that we speak, they shape our experiences, our beliefs, our attitudes, our feelings, all are a part of it. So then affirmations become this tool, this beginning point to essentially change the way that we live our lives. Because what we're doing is that we're not just communicating to our subconscious mind that we're willing to take responsibility, but we're communicating to the universe as a whole what we want to take place in our life. So then affirmations become this opener, this gateway, not just to feeling better, but a communication to our subconscious that we want better, we deserve better, if it's positive.
When I think of affirmations, I think of clear, concise statements that we can make that's accompanied by the feeling and the visualization. I think that is how we make our affirmations into reality. So I am happy becomes something that you not just think about and say, but you actually feel it from the inside, and you can visualize yourself happy, what happiness means to you. And I think that that is the correct way to use an affirmation. I believe that when we start to affirm ourselves, then we can affirm others around us, but we affirm the things that we want in our life. And she made a statement to me, and it's so true. She said, you know, when you say an affirmation, you start to walk that path before the path even comes to you or show yourself. You just start acting like it. So if you decide to say, you know what, I am confident, right? Then you start to think of scenarios that you attach confidence to, and then over time you become more confident in whatever it is that you're doing.
So then I am a promise, I'm a possibility becomes more than just the words. You actually see yourself being this promise, this possibility, this being of infinite potential. Recalling I am is the presence in every experience and being awakened to this awareness.
So I guess that's my nugget and my 2 cents today. It's kind of short and very sweet, but affirm what it is that you want in your life for it to manifest. I mean, I think it's really, really important. So you can let me know what you think. Well, what your affirmation is for the day, or maybe a set of affirmations that you use all the time. And, we can discuss it further. So comment down below and let me know. Lots of love to you. Ciao. See you soon. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, where you get lots of tips, tools, and techniques on how to navigate your life with more ease and flow, just comment down below, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification when I go live or the next time I post. Love to see you again. Lots of love to you.